Hello guys, welcome once again to this channel, and if today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome, and please do well to subscribe, like this video, and also share this video to your friends. This is good news for parents and students who complete SHS in this year 2024, and you guys are waiting for the release of your placement. The government has announced that this year the placement is going to be free. Parents and students are not going to buy checkers or result or placement checkers or vouchers before you can check your placement. This year is going to be free. You don't need any serial number and any PIN before you can check your placements. This is good news from the government. This is a press release. Government announces access to 2024-2025 TVET placement slash SHS slash TVET placement results. Okay, so as you continue, ahead of the release of the 2024-2025 senior high school, that is SHS slash the TVET placement result, the Ministry of Education is pleased to inform prospective first year students, parents, and the general public that access to the computerized school selection and placement system, that is CSSPS platform, will now be free for checking placement results. Okay, the new measures eliminate the need for candidates to purchase PIN code, making it easier and more accessible for students to check their placements. To check placement result, candidates are advised to follow these steps. So these are the steps that they have stated in this press release. Okay, so you just have to follow these steps to check your placement. Note is free, so don't be scammed by anyone. You are not going to pay or you're not going to buy any checker before you can check your placement in this year 2024. So you are to visit this website, which is https forward slash www.csSPS.gov.gh or https forward slash www.esSPS.org. And then after that, what you have to do is to enter your 10-digit index number followed by the year. Okay, so followed by 2024 to indicate that you completed in 2024. Okay, so you enter your index number, which is the 10-digit index number, and then you add the year of completion, which is the 2024. Then after that, you tap on submit and wait for the placement results to be displayed. Note, this year you are not going to buy any voucher. So those who are asking, are vouchers ready for the placement? Placement is going to be free. Okay, checking of placement is going to be free. You're not going to buy a voucher. But take note, if you go to cafe or if you contact me to check it for you, you pay something because I am going to use data. And if you go to cafe, they are going to use data to check it. So definitely, if you go there, you are going to pay for the service that they are going to provide for you. But if you decide to check it yourself, you are not going to pay anything. Note is free, no voucher involved in this year 2024 placement checking. Thank you for watching this video and see you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share. Bye.